guys, good day to you guys. My name is MJ Lopez and this is a day in the life of MJ Lopez. And you will not see a powerful, hype-up day. Dito nyo makikita ano ang totoong nangyayari sa araw ng mga negosyante. Sasamahan niyo ako. Let's go. And guys, so we are on our way to Amadeo, Cavite to visit our property. Mamaya nyo malalaman ano bang tinatayo ni MJ Lopez sa Cavite. But our day usually starts with gratitude. Lagi ko nga sinasabi, di ba? Always start your day with gratitude. Pero ngayon, we started with getting things done. You know, I started my day with a lot of work. Because I know myself, ano yung mga bagay na dapat kong gawin. And then after that, meditation. So it's more on alignment. So it's organizing my day, and meditation. So it's mind, heart, and body. So I did a little bit of workout, a little bit of mobility training. Kasi guys, we're getting older and we want to be healthy. You know, because I want to serve you guys. I want to serve more people. And dito nagkakamali yung marami. Because most of us are being hyped with this millionaire morning routine, kailangan ganito yung gawin, kailangan ganyan yung gawin. Sa totoo lang guys, you have to recognize the patterns, you have to know what works for you. And for me, it's just getting things done guys. It's not about how beautiful it is, it's not about looking good for other people, it's about getting things done. So yung mga bagay na kaya mong gawin, dapat mong gawin, pwede mong gawin, gawin mo lang. So yun lang guys. See you later. Ayan guys, we are now here in Amadeo, Cavite. Dito natin i-build sa harap commercial building, sa gitna yung studio natin, MJ Lopez Media Studios, yung ating manufacturing and bahay din dito. So, super excited guys kasi na-vlog natin siya habang nagbe-build pa lang. So, tara, puntahan muna natin sila. Ito yung pagpasok. Engineer, tara, let's go! G agad, habang maliwanag. Ito yung dulo po, ito.
Yes.
Laki guys. Guys, ito yung bagong studio natin, no? So ang vision natin dito is dito kami maglalagay ng LED screen. Dito rin i-shoot yung mga bagong courses natin. Tapos pwede tayong mag-invite ng maraming tao. So pwedeng ipakita ni Prince kung gaano kalaki to mamaya. Pero guys, ang lawak kasi yung Power Talks, Mastermind Sessions, pwedeng dito gawin, may invited na audience. Especially if we're talking about our platinum students, our ultimate master students, pwede sila lahat dito. And then, maraming LED screens, parang Tony Robbins setup yung pangarap natin dito. Dito tayo magpa-podcast, magkakreate ng value, magkakreate ng courses, and pwede rin kayo makapunta rito. But yeah, super excited guys, and ang lamig, ang ganda ng panahon. Guys, finally, dati pa namin tong pinapangarap. Now it's manifesting into reality. Super excited guys. Grabe guys, usapang measurements tayo, usapang structures, wala pang design guys, more on structures. Parang pagbe-build ng success guys, sisimulan mo talaga from the beginning, from scratch. Magsisimula siya sa vision. Kasi pag hindi malinaw yung vision, hindi malinaw yung gusto mong mangyari dun sa building, hindi rin magiging maganda yung resulta. And in this case, we are clear with what we wanna achieve so that we are putting everything in the right spaces and places. So yeah, super excited guys. Ang laki nito. This is 4,000 square meter guys. Pakita natin. So may sales team dito, may media doon, may office ako dyan. Tas napakalawak guys, this is 4,000 square meters. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang laki, ang lawak nitong area. May malaki pa tayo ditong commercial space. So, guys, by the time that we are filming this video, there's a huge crisis in the Philippines. There's a huge crisis happening right now. Lagi ko sinasabi, in every crisis, there's always an opportunity. So paulit-ulit ko sinasabi sa inyo na during crisis, yan yung tamang timing para mag-invest. By the way, time check, it's 5. Ang hirap ng RTA, 5:35 p.m. Padilim na guys, kaya nagmamadali kami. And guys, it's 6:20 p.m. and we are on our way back to Laguna to film some podcast, to manage files, to do an FB live, to talk about the self-mastery tomorrow. Kasi guys, whole day yung seminar natin tomorrow and we will have a lot of meetings pa. But for now, we have to go at kailangan na namin magkape. See you. Let's go. It's 8 p.m. and we are back here in the studio in Cabuyao, Laguna. So we talked about priming our day to win. And the best way to do that is alignment. Aligned actions. So it's the mind, heart, and body. But the problem with most people is the mind usually is not working for them or with them. Minsan, yung sarili nating utak, yun ang kalaban natin. So one major example is pagkagising mo pa lang sa umaga, stress ka na, hindi ka na agad okay. And of course, from the mind, mararamdaman siya ng puso mo. That is why the actions are not aligned. That's the main reason why medyo pigil yung actions or pilit yung actions natin. Kaya hindi nagiging maganda yung resulta. That is why when I start my day, I usually take massive action so that I can create wins pagkagising ko. Why? It's because the best way for us to break the patterns is to start with the body. Sinisimulan po natin sa katawan. So instead na mag-iisip ng negative, sisimulan mo sa pag-take ng action, and you have to let motivation be the byproduct of action. So, mamamotivate ka lalo kasi may natapos ka na, kasi may nagawa ka na. And that's what we did. So, sinimulan natin sa action, saka tayo nag-meditate, saka natin pinakiramdaman, and then since we want to win this day, take note of this guys, you have to be intentional with what you wanna do. Dapat malinaw lahat ng dapat mong gawin. You have to be intentional with who you bring to the table, meaning the identity you bring. Do you want to show up as powerful or as loving or as grateful? Do you want to show up as extremely productive? It all depends on the self-image you are trying to build. And number 3, you have to be intentional with how you want to feel, with what you want to experience. So malinaw yung gagawin mo, malinaw lahat ng dapat mong tapusin, malinaw yung identity na dadalhin mo sa table so that you can develop a new self-image, at malinaw din kung ano yung gusto mong maramdaman. The things that you want to experience. So again, that's still the mind, heart, and the body. The thoughts, the things that you have to do, the structures, the design, the emotions, and more importantly, the identity. So right now, we will film a podcast episode for you guys because, again, we love creating value for you. So, prepare na muna kami guys and I'm gonna see you later. And of course, see you in the podcast episodes. Let's go, set up na. Kape guys, para magkapera. So yan guys, it's 10:30 p.m. and kakatapos lang natin mag-podcast. Super excited guys kasi ang ganda ng topic natin, the evolution of success. And right now, after ni Jeff dito sa file management, dito sa NAS natin, we will go to Dennis for an alignment meeting with the media and the marketing team. And the support team is actually calling people who will attend self-mastery and power talks actually guys, no? So if you want to attend our free seminars, you can attend power talks. It's powertalks.ph, and our team will call you to confirm kung live streaming ba kayo a-attend or in person. So we have to go guys kasi gabi na and mag-gym pa tayo mamaya. So let's go to Dennis. And guys, quick update, we are now here in Dennis and this is really memorable for us kasi mga vision, mga pangarap, dito nag-start lahat, no? This is where I started a lot of my mentoring sessions, coaching sessions, and now we're back here. So, what we will do is an alignment meeting for the media kasi we did a hard reset for our videos. And we wanna create more value for you guys. That is why we will review everything. So if you want a winning day, you also have to understand that bago ka palang matulog, dapat prepared ka na sa gagawin mo bukas. And we are doing our best here to finish as early as we can, although mag-gym pa tayo. Kasi nga, bukas meron pa tayong event called Self-Mastery. It's actually a whole day event. I'm gonna be on stage for 12 hours or maybe more. That is why we have to wake up early. So, technically, halos wala na tayong tulog. But again, if you want to achieve things, it's all about getting things done. Walang masama kung sa una pagod ka, sa una puyat ka. Walang masama kung sa una nape-pressure ka. It's really normal, especially if you are building something big. Okay guys, so that's the update and we will do an alignment meeting, very important meeting for our team. We would love to have your support in our vlogs, in our podcasts, in our contents, and make sure to engage with us. Kasi we will really appreciate it, especially the editors, para alam namin na nagugustuhan nyo yung mga videos na pinaglalaanan namin ng time. Alright? So, I really appreciate your support, guys. And for now, we're gonna do the alignment meeting. Bye-bye. Love you. Ayan guys, anong oras na, Jeff? It's 1:30 a.m. and nandito tayo ngayon sa bahay, guys. So what happened? No, we're supposed to go to the gym. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, this is not the typical looking good vlog. This is the real deal. This is what's really happening. No, there will be times that you will break your own rules. You will break your own structures, Ramdam ko sa sarili ko, ilang araw na kasi akong walang tulog. Ramdam ko sa sarili ko na alanganin kung mag-gym ako, knowing that I have an event later, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m., which is the self-mastery event. So I want to serve you guys. I want to help you guys. And that means that instead of choosing to go to the gym para magmukhang strong sa harapan nyo and for the sake of having a good vlog, I decided to go home and work on the frameworks I will discuss later. And more importantly, ito yung realidad, guys. It's not always 100% magagawa mo yung dapat mong gawin. It's not 100% matatapos mo yung structures. But the most important part is creating massive impact. Alright? Kasi there will be times that you will have only one activity for the day. You will finish one extremely important task. Maybe you will just bond with your family. You will have a time for your daughter, for your son, for your partner. Na maghapon, yun lang yung na-accomplish mo. And it's okay because it's all about creating impact, Lagi ko nga sinasabi sa inyo that if you want to win the day, you have to reorganize. You have to realign yourself bago ka palang matulog. So ngayon, bago tayo magpahinga, paplanuhin ko na lahat ng gusto kong mangyari mamaya. Right? It's all about being intentional. And kanina, it's all about productivity. Mamaya, it's all about abundance. It's all about responsibility, mindfulness. It's all about serving people. I will be focused on loving the students, serving the students that I have. because this is an event exclusive for Success Blueprint students. So, yeah, I'm super happy. I'm grateful right now. There's a lot of work, but I understand that all of this was just a dream. All of this was just a vision. Pangarap lang to dati eh. Yung self-mastery event, pangarap lang to dati eh. Yung mga webinars, yung seminars, yung courses, yung mga companies na natutulungan, yung mga taong natutulungan. Dating binablog ko lang yun, guys. Dating pinapangarap lang namin yun. Ngayon nangyayari na. At nakita nyo kanina that we are building a new studio, a new office for MJ Lopez Media and MJ Lopez Life and Business. That's why I'm super grateful right now. I'm super excited. And we will build more value for you guys. And I would love to have your support when it comes to our content, especially vlogs like this. Because this is where we share what's really happening, what we do, and more importantly, how we help people as well. So yun lang guys, this is the end of the vlog, and always remember that everything good starts with a S. And yes, my name is MJ Lopez, and see you soon. Hindi, kita ko, kulay-pulay, kita ko eh. FX3 to eh, kita ko eh. Dati kasi ano yung mga yan eh, kumari vlog. Ay, hindi na-record. Tapos nare-record pala, hinuhuli yung mukha ko.